Hello, this is Daryl for Wednesday, the 30th of November 2016. So, this is the DE stock market summary. So, the markets closed mixed today on some good news coming from OPEC. So, today is a very big day for the whole energy industry, and for ones who are investors in this in energy sector, because today OPEC came to agreement. So the investment public on a whole has been very skeptical on OPEC actually coming to an agreement, but it's a major surprise today that they actually came to agreement, and the markets really rallied based on the news. We had the TSX, which is the Canadian stock market. The whole energy as a group jumped 7%. And as we know, the TSX is really heavily weighed by the energy industry. So this has been the first limit on oil from OPEC since 2008. So part of this agreement is Saudi Arabia is willing to accept a big hit on its production. They would be cutting their production to about half. And they also agree on their rival Iran to freeze into the pre-sanction limits that they had before. So this is very interesting because Saudi Arabia first wanted them to cut a bit more, but they were able to work out that agreement for Iran to go back to their pre-sanction levels. So the biggest producers of oil really rallied based on this news. We had all of them rising about 5%. We had Sunco Energy rising 6.1% to $42.99 Canadian. We had Canadian Natural Resources up 7% to $44.57. We also had Cenovus Energy up 8.5% to $20.55. So big day for energy stocks, big day, and especially, as I said before, the TSX on a whole really prospered from that, because apart from the energy companies themselves, we have the banks in Canada are very much invested in the energy market because they provide loans to the big energy companies. So this is very good news. Apart from the OPEC news that has been good for energy stocks, also has been Justin Trudeau accepting 2 of the 4 pipeline proposals yesterday. So that was big news too, because going in, there wasn't much optimism as to whether there would be any of them signed off on, but at least 2 of them were signed off on, and some very big ones. So very good news for energy stocks on a whole, and we are really now going to be expecting oil prices to go up. We are looking at $50 a barrel. We saw it today, and we are seeing that could continue, as we had a price of $70 a barrel for, so this is at the high end for 2017. We're thinking around $60 a barrel for sure next year. So we could see that being possible with this good news that we had today with OPEC, and also with the signing of agreements out there with Justin Trudeau. So what did we have today with the markets? We had the Dow Jones up 41.59 points to 19,163.19. So the Dow was actually up today, straight till the close. We had the other indexes being up in early morning trading, but at the close they went down. We had the S&P 500 being down at the close, 1.60 points to 2203.17. So not very much down, but it did slip to the negative at the close. We also had the Nasdaq down 48.99 points to 5332.18. So we are expecting tomorrow, which would be the first day of December, Thursday, that the markets could be rallying because of this positive news that we got out of OPEC. We think that this could really create a nice positive rally, especially too since the elections we've been having a positive rally because of the stimulus that is supposed to hit the market. This news from OPEC will just continue this positive rally. Okay, so I will be here, Daryl will be here to break down the markets for you as it comes. Okay, so this is the DE Stock Market Summary. You have a good day.